Wild Environmental Science comes the Extreme Sharks of the World kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. And assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle. The full-colour instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the weirdest, the most ravenous, the ugliest, and the most deadly sharks on the planet. If you're wild about sharks, then you'll love Extreme Sharks of the World by Wild Environmental Science.